Welcome to this course. I am Christos and I will be leading you through this course. I promise you that this will be a very exciting journey because you will learn how to code a mobile app with Google Flutter and Dart and actually create mobile applications that will be Android and also for iPhone. So if you are looking for alternative approaches to Android or iPhone application development, then you should consider giving Google's Flutter, a framework actually based on Dart programming language, a try. Applications built with Flutter are largely indistinguishable from those built in using the Android SDK, for example, both in terms of look and performance. You will find no difference between a native application and an application that is created with Google Flutter. What's more, with minor tweaks, they can be run on iOS devices as well. So in this course, I will try to introduce you to the basics of Flutter by showing specific examples, by showing how to build a simple tip calculator app for Android. As you can see here, there is actually a screenshot from the app that we are going to create. So let's start. To be able to follow this course, you will need actually the latest version of IntelliJ IDEA, an Android Studio that it would be at least 2.2 or higher, a device or an emulator running Android 4.4 or higher, and a computer running Mac or Linux or Windows. So why use Flutter? Why to use Flutter? Running at 60 FPS, user interfaces created with Flutter perform far better than those created with other cross-platform development frameworks such as React Native and Ionic. If that doesn't excite you, I will tell you some more reasons why you might want to use Flutter. So the first one is Flutter uses Dart. So this is very important because it is an object-oriented language with several useful features such as mixins, generics, isolates, and optional static types. If you don't know what this means, then you will understand what these things are exactly by showing specific examples, and then you will appreciate all these characteristics. Actually, Flutter has its own UI components along with an engine to render them on both the Android and iOS platforms. So most of these UI components are actually out of the box, conform to the guidelines of material design. Finally, Flutter apps can be developed using IntelliJ IDEA. That is actually an IDE, an environment that is very similar to Android Studio. But as I said, the first reason that you should write Flutter is that is extremely fast. Faster than React Native and faster than Ionic because it runs at 60 FPS. Thank you and looking forward to seeing you in the next lesson.